The seating chart is a nice feature of TeacherAid. For the free version, you have a seating chart for class 1, and for the subscription, you have a seating chart for all your classes. To access it, tap the seating icon right here. Initially, all your students are overlaid. You can easily just drag and drop the students to any place you want. And if you don't move around students too much, then this is an easy way to do it. However, you can easily create a class template of your seats, which will make it easier to seat students. I'll show you that in a second. So here you have students. If you want to rearrange them, simply tap the refresh icon at the top, and you can say random order, and the students will be seated in a new order. If you'd like to make a template, tap on the edit icon at the top here. It's set for template run 1. Choose the number of seats you have in your class. I'm just going to select 14 right now. And it fills out like this. And you can rearrange them. So what I'm going to do is, let's just keep the basic idea here. If you want to add seats, you can just say +1 over here, drag it around, tap on a seat to remove it. The number of the seats is the way the seats will be filled when you fill it automatically. So you're going to want to arrange the numbers in the way you'd like to fill the seats. There's a second template you can tap here to do a second template if you have a different classroom or rearrange seats. I'll leave that for template 1. Now when we come back, tap on the settings icon, say choose seating template and show template 1. Now you'll see the seats here. You could drag students over to the seats, but an easier way is simply tap the refresh icon, and now you have a choice to seat students by random order or by last name. I'll choose by last name, and you'll see the seats will fill up in the order that they were on the template there. And then you're free to change things. You can also tap on any template seats, and you'll get a chance to move a student to that seat. So if I want Jeremy Banks there, simply tap, and Jeremy will move there. Very easy. Once this is set up, you have 3 options at the top here. The left one is just the students and their faces with no attendance or grades. That's a great way if you want to print out a seating chart. The middle check mark is attendance. So right now you can easily tap on any student, change their attendance. You can also tap on the day here and switch the attendance day if you want to go back to a different day. And lastly, you have the A+ or gradebook, where you can select any of the assignments here. And by simply tapping on a student, you can edit their grade, add any comments you want, just like you would do in the main gradebook. You can change classes here. If you have a subscription, you can use any of the 10 classes. Some other options are you can lock the seating chart here if you'd like to not be able to accidentally move students. And if you want to call on students randomly, tap on the question mark icon here, and it can easily select students right from the seating chart. Lastly, you can make a PDF of any of these screens. And under the settings here, you can also hide the photos if you don't actually use student photos. All right, so there's a quick tutorial on how to use the seating chart. It can be a powerful way to easily track students in terms of grades, attendance, and manage your class. Enjoy.